we'll guide you through how to master Asana practices using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Sign into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, you need to start by creating a new project. Click on the Create Project button, usually located at the top of your dashboard. Choose a template that fits your project type or start from scratch if you prefer a custom setup. Name your project and choose a color and icon that will help you easily identify it later. Now, it's time to add tasks to your project. Click on the Add Task button, and for each task, give it a clear and descriptive name. Assign the task to a team member by clicking on the Assignee field and selecting their name. Set due dates by clicking the calendar icon, ensuring everyone knows the timeline. You can add subtasks by clicking on the task and then selecting Add Subtask, breaking down larger tasks into manageable parts. Use tags to categorize tasks for better organization. You can find the tag option within the task details. To keep everyone in the loop, use the comment section under each task to provide updates or feedback. This way, communication stays transparent and accessible. For effective tracking, switch between different views like list, board, or timeline to find what suits your workflow best. Remember, the calendar view can be particularly helpful for visualizing deadlines. Finally, make use of Asana's integration features by linking your project with tools like Slack or Google Drive, which can streamline your workflow further. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Asana practices and boosting your productivity. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.